Good morning, children. This lesson is for anyone working in the pyramid group. Before we start today's lesson, please make sure you do the starter, which is dividing numbers by 10. So do those questions first, please. Okay, so for today's lesson, we will be focusing again on statistics, and today we're going to be drawing pictograms using data from tally charts. Now, today's information we're going to be using, it says here, draw pictograms 1-to-1. So what that means today is that each picture or the symbol that we've got here is going to be worth just 1, and we're going to be looking to develop this knowledge as we go on through the next couple of weeks. So it says here, use the totals to complete the pictogram. Now, the key part of a pictogram is the key, and it says here that each circle is equal to one person. So on this left-hand column, we've got colour. We've got red, blue, green and yellow. Number of people, and this is going to be where our pictures are for our pictogram. And total is how many we've got. So it says here, if that each circle is worth one person, we've got 1, 2, but it says total is 5. So we need to draw more circles into for our red to make sure that this picture is representative of this number here. So if we've got 2, we're going to keep counting until we've got 5. So we've got 3, 4, 5. Now, obviously, I haven't got colours, but you can do this if you want to do it in different colours, but drawing circles is just fine. Blue, so we had to draw 3 more. Blue, we've got 4. We've got 1 so far, so we need to keep drawing until we get to 4 in total. 2, 3, 4. Green says there's 10. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so far. So we're going to have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then yellow, 1, 2, 3. It says we need 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very nice and simple. If you don't have a printer, that's fine. But you can draw out this table in your book and do your answers there. Here we've got another pictogram, but instead of circles, we're going to have squares. So each square equals one person. So it says complete the pictogram using the table. So we've got an apple. So far we've got 3 squares. We need 9 in total. So we'll just keep adding. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 pairs. We've got 2 so far. 3 and 4. Plum, there needs to be 2. We've got 1 so far, so we have 1 more for 2. And then last but not least, kiwi, 7. We've got 1, 2, 3 so far, so 4, 5, 6, 7. Complete the missing sections of the table and pictogram. This one's a bit different, where we've been given half the information via the pictogram and half the information by the numbers on the table. Again, here each triangle is worth 1 person. So if we go to grey, that means there is 1 person there. We haven't got any information for black, so we just move on to brown quickly. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we've got no information for white here. We have got no pictograms. But if we go to our table, it says here there are 7 black people for each one person, so it's 7. So we need to draw 7 triangles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then down to white, we've got 1. Now again, it's quite similar. We'll just go through some more examples for you. So use the table to complete the pictogram. Again, we've got each one person is equal. 1 person is equal to 1 circle. So salad, we've got 5. So we haven't got any here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pizza says 6. We've got 2 so far. 3, 4, 5, 6. Pie 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And fish equals 8. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one here is complete the pictogram using the tally chart. So here we looked at these the other day, so we know how to identify the amount, which would be really good at this point. It says each square is equal to one person. What I would do here is actually work out the total before we do any adding to our pictogram. So 5, 10, 11, 12. So I'll just write 12 there. So I know that I'm going to need to put 12 squares on Adam. Mia, 1, 2, 3. Riley, 1, 2. And Zara, 5, 10, and plus the 1, 11. So we'll go back to here. Adam needs 12. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Mia needs 3, 1, 2, 3. Riley needs 2, 1, 2. And Zara needs 11, but we've got 2 so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's that pictogram done. And last but not least, complete the missing sections of the tally chart and pictogram. So again, we've got triangles, and each triangle is equal to one person. So blonde, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, we need to put our information as a tally chart. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then don't forget, when we get to 5, we do a gate. 6, 7. We've got 15 black, so we need to do 15 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 brown. So we need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the fifth one is a gate. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another one for gate, and then 1 because that's 11. And then we need 2 red. Okay, that's your input for today's lesson. So now go to your task sheet and answer the questions. Best of luck.